Hi, for some of us toolbar icons may be too small, so in this video I would like to show you how to increase size of icons in Inkscape. Of course, I'm talking about icons from the left toolbar and the upper icons, so let's check now how to do it. Okay, so first you need to do is go to the left upper corner, and here we have settings like Edit. When you will click on this option, you will see more really useful settings. We need to go to Preferences bookmark, we need to open it, and now this window will be displayed here, and here we have a lot of settings that you can change. But we are interested in about icon size, so we will go to Interface, and the second bookmark is Toolbars, so we need to open this option. You can open this option too by typing here Toolbars. So there are two methods to open this option, and after that you will need to go to Toolbox icon size, and now you need to drag the slider to the right side. So for example, I will choose here 200%, and like you see, icon size has been successfully changed. But if you want to change control bar icon size too, you need to change this slider too. So we'll drag it to the right side again, and like you see, the icon size has been successfully changed. So now we need to close this window, and we are ready to use Inkscape with increased icon size. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to resolve your problem, do not forget to subscribe my channel and like this video, because it really supports my work. Thank you for watching my tutorials.